Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Eric Oren.
Well, happy Wednesday, folks. Let's start with a look at the next 12 hours temperature-wise. We are expecting some winter weather today. It's going to be a little hard to tell exactly when it's going to be snow versus a mix of rain and snow. It's a fairly chilly day that we see here on the high desert. So before sunrise, it's definitely a chance we're going to see a bit of snow coming our way. Mountains will definitely be getting some. And then as temperatures warm up above freezing, we're getting a bit of a mix of rain and snow, maybe a bit more rain this afternoon, then back down to potential mixed precipitation and snow as temperatures cool off this evening, topping out somewhere around 36 degrees today. So a fairly chilly day as we have some cool air coming in from the north. Now let's take a look at some road conditions out there for you. Fairly clear right now. A couple of areas where we're seeing some limited visibility. You can see the camera here at Lava Butte not picking up a whole lot of anything. Maybe just a little bit of limited visibility in Prineville. We're seeing the areas to the north seeing just a bit of pockets of of limited visibility as of early this morning, and it has definitely fluctuated already. As you can see here, north of Redmond is seeing visibility down to around a mile, and this should clear up just a little bit throughout the morning as some approaching weather makes its way toward us. As we take a look here at the satellite and radar, there's this area of low pressure from the central Pacific. It's going to be making its way into the area and bringing this precipitation with it. As you can see, as of right now, we're looking at mostly clouds coming our way, but you can see winter weather on its way toward us, and it should be here by probably around sunrise. Timing's a little bit tricky with this. Now let's take a look at a winter weather advisory in place. As you can see here in Central Oregon, due to expected wet snow, possibility of 1 to 3 inches falling in the lower elevations, which is more than enough to create some very slippery road conditions. And you can see this is going to be the case until around 10 a.m. tomorrow. Also wanted to show you a winter storm warning in place along the east slopes of the Cascades, including Sun River and Lapine. That's due to 10 to 20 inches of snow in the crests and mountain passes and 3 to 6 inches in the lower elevations. Of course, this will be affecting travel as well, and this is going to be in place until closer to 4 a.m. Friday. There's a chance this will get extended, but we do expect wintry precipitation to kind of taper off by the time we reach Friday, so that's a fairly accurate time frame to expect the next wave of exciting weather. Now let's take a look at your future track. As of early today, around 7 a.m., that's just a little bit before sunrise, you can see some winter weather already made its way into the forecast area along 20 and 97, and then as we make our way throughout the day and the temperatures warm up just a little bit, you can see we're transitioning to a mix of rain and snow. Higher elevations going to continue to see some snow, and in the lower elevations we are going to see a mix here. You're seeing yellow and some green, which is where we're going to definitely see some rain and mixed precipitation, possibly some wet snow like we spoke about. And then tonight we're turning back to some blue here, and that's going to be due to those temperatures dropping. We're going to see a bit more chances for snow, but it's going to be fairly spotty and staying with us until the early morning hours where things spread out and get a little more widespread again. And that's going all the way through to tomorrow morning. Now, quick look at your forecast highs today in the 30s and 40s as we round the corner to your 7-day forecast and show you what's coming ahead. We see a strong chance for a wintry mix today and tapering off by Friday as we spoke about. And then as you can see this weekend, a slight chance for some more rain, but temperatures generally speaking climbing a little bit by the time we reach early next week. We're up into the middle 40s, which is again very close to seasonal averages, getting a little bit warmer than that by the middle of next week. That's been a look at your local alert weather.